Hello friends, welcome to Vedich Academy, and here in this section we are going to discuss graphs of trigonometric functions such as sin x and cos x. So here we have to sketch the region enclosed by y equal to sin x, y equal to cos x and x-axis in the interval 0 to pi. So first, let us find the values of y corresponding to the different values of x with both these functions of sin x and cos x. So in order to find the values of y, let us consider a table here. So here there is a table, and in the first row we are going to write the values of x, and in the second row we are going to find the values of y for the equation y equal to sin x, and in the third row we are going to find the values of y for the equation y equal to cos x. And now let us write the values of x in the interval 0 to pi. So here these are the radians. And now let us substitute these values of x in the equation to find the values of y. So first let us substitute 0. So by substituting we get sin 0, and the value of sin 0 is 0. And then pi by 6. So sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2, which is equal to 0.5. And then we have 60 degrees, which is pi by 3. So sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2, which is equal to 0.866. And the next radian, pi by 2. So by substituting pi by 2, we get sin pi by 2, and the value of sin pi by 2 is 1. And then we have 2 pi by 3. So sin 2 pi by 3 is equal to root 3 by 2, which is equal to 0.866. And then sin 5 pi by 6, and its value is 1 by 2, that is 0.5 here. And then sin 180 degrees, which is equal to 0. And now let us substitute the same values of x in the equation y equal to cos x in order to get the values of y. So by substituting 0 degrees in the equation y equal to cos x, we get cos 0 degrees, and the value of cos 0 is 1. So here we get 1, and then cos 30 degrees, which is equal to root 3 by 2, which is approximately equal to 0.866. And then cos 60 degrees. So cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2, and its value is equal to 0.5. And then cos 90 degrees, and the value of cos 90 is 0. So here we get 0, and the next radian, which is 2 pi by 3. So cos 2 pi by 3 is equal to minus 1 by 2, and its value will be equal to minus 0.5. And then the next radian, 5 pi by 6. So cos 5 pi by 6 is equal to minus root 3 by 2, which is equal to minus 0.866. And then pi. So cos 180 degrees is equal to minus 1. So here we get minus 1 as the value of y. And now let us plot the different values of y corresponding to the different values of x in a coordinate plane. So here there is a plane, and the horizontal line is called as x-axis, whereas vertical line is called as y-axis. And this is the origin where x-axis and y-axis intersects. And now let us plot the values of x on x-axis, and then the values of y on y-axis. So first, let us plot the order pairs for the equation y equal to sin x. So the first order pair will be 0, 0. That is nothing but the origin. So here we get a point on the origin, and then for x equal to pi by 6, the value of y is 0.5. So here we get a point where pi by 6 and 0.5 intersects. And then for x equal to pi by 3, the value is 0.866. So here we get a point where pi by 3 and 0.8 intersects. And then the next order pair, which is pi by 2, 1. So here we get a point where pi by 2 and 1 meets. And then the next order pair, which is 2 pi by 3, 0.866. So here we get a point. And then the next order pair, which is 5 pi by 6, 0.5. So here we get a point where 5 pi by 6 and 0.5 intersects. And then for x equal to pi, the y value is 0. So as the y value is 0, we get a point on x-axis at pi. So by joining all these points, we get a curve, and this curve is named as y equal to sin x. And now let us plot the values of y for the equation y equal to cos x. So for this equation, the order pairs will be 0, 1. So for x equal to 0, the y value is 1. So here we get a point on y-axis. And then we have pi by 6, 0.866. So at x equal to pi by 6, we get the y value as 0.8. So here we get a point, and then we have pi by 3, and its value is 0.5. So here we get a point where pi by 3 and 0.5 meets. And then the next order pair, which is pi by 2, 0. So as the y value is 0, the point lies on x-axis at pi by 2. So here we get a point, and then we have 2 pi by 3 and its value is minus 0.5. So here we get a point where 2 pi by 3 and minus 0.5 meets. And the next order pair, which is 5 pi by 6 and its value is minus 0.8. So here we get a point, and then pi comma minus 1. So at x equal to pi, the y value is minus 1. So here we get a point. And then by joining all these points, we get a curve, and this curve is called as y equal to cos x. So as per the given example, we have to sketch the region enclosed by y equal to sin x, y equal to cos x, and the x-axis in the interval 0 to pi. So here this is the region which is enclosed by y equal to sin x, y equal to cos x, and the x-axis. Hope you understood the concept. Do like and subscribe to vdchacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.